Content marketing is an essential part of any business, and building a foolproof content strategy can prove to be quite tricky. But don't worry, to create a killer content, the steps you need to consider are keyword research, proofreading, SEO checklist, lead collection, email marketing, spam protection, and lastly, social media marketing. Each of these steps is an integral part of a successful content marketing campaign, so missing out on one is quite risky. We have listed down 7 of the most vital tools that will help you ace every step without costing a dime. All of these plugins have both free and premium versions, and you may feel that you will end up buying a pro. You may be right. But we have a cheat code for that too. So watch till the end. Step 1. Keyword research. What's the one thing that can make or break your content? Research. It sounds boring, but it's always research that makes a boring content killer and informative. To make it easier for you, we have Ahrefs. As far as keyword research goes, Ahrefs has got your back. Ahrefs is an all-in-one SEO toolset with free learning materials and a passionate community and support. From site audit to keywords exploration to rank tracking, Ahrefs has you covered. Step 2. Coming up with a perfect copy. Now that you know which keyword you have to target, it's time to focus on your content. This is where Grammarly comes in. With Grammarly, you will find out all the grammatical errors and get suggestions to improve your copy. While it's not a WordPress plugin, you can activate this extension on your browser and use it across different websites. Besides, you can always cross-check your content on the Grammarly app. Step 3. Search engine optimization. You're not writing a fiction, right? You are working on a blog or a web copy that can be easily found. That's why your SEO needs to be more than perfect. Before publishing your content, you need to make sure it ticks all of the on-page SEO checklist. Rankmath can help you here. While the default SEO plugin, Yoast, will also do the job, you can try Rankmath for a more thorough examination. Step 4. Collecting leads. One of the primary objectives of content marketing is to gather leads, who will eventually turn into loyal leads. But how do you collect email subscribers? Let Fluent Forms take care of that. With Fluent Forms, you can collect email leads and build your customer base. But Fluent Forms is not just a subscription form builder. It's essentially the most feature-rich online form builder with insane features, including 70+ templates, 50+ info fields, payments modules, conversational forms builder, and countless third-party integrations to automate your business online. And if you have a good amount of leads, you're in the safe zone of this content marketing game. Step 5. Email marketing. Say you have your leads, but you need to make sure your content reaches your target audience, as not all of your leads are always your target audience. Newsletters and email automation are a great way of doing that, and that's why you need Fluent CRM. Fluent CRM will carry your content to the right audience at the right time if you have segmented your users well. With the excellent reporting features of Fluent CRM, you can also know which of your email campaigns are performing well and which needs a little more effort. But Fluent CRM is not just an email marketing tool. It also gives you a detailed overview of your product sales and revenue dashboard, user profiles, granular segmentation options, smart e-commerce, LMS, funnel, membership integrations, etc. But the best thing about it, unlike the usual CRM solutions, Fluent CRM won't charge you every month based on your campaign volume or quantity. Just pay the yearly subscription fee and you are good to go, no matter how big your email list is or how many campaigns you are launching every month. No extra charge, only extra benefits as your business grows. Step 6. Protection from spam. However, the trouble is that your WordPress emails may end up in the spam folder most of the time. You can use a credible SMTP plugin like Fluent SMTP to stop that from happening. It is a lightweight WordPress SMTP and PHP mailer plugin that ensures your emails reach their destination. Step 7. Social media marketing. Sharing your content to your website from different social media platforms will grow your audience and increase brand value. But social media is a little bit trickier than it looks. To make sure you're doing it right, use WP Social Ninja. it is an all-in-one social media marketing tool that will let you display your social content to your website from multiple sites. With WP Social Ninja, you can customize the look of your content, sort the best posts, and filter it with the right hashtags and mentions. This increases your engagement rate and creates a powerful social media presence. Now it's time for the bonus we promised. vidIQ. It's free, user-friendly, and helps your YouTube videos grab the audience it needs. vidIQ is a browser extension, so it analyzes even when resting. Pair it up with WP Social Ninja, and you can display your YouTube feed on your website directly. Now that you know the 7 essential plugins and how amazing they are, you might be thinking, will the free versions be enough to get the job done? Well, actually no. But wait, there's a workaround, and I'll tell you the cheat code. The Fluent Trio, Fluent Forms, Fluent CRM, and Fluent SMTP, along with the Supercharge WP Social Ninja, more than covers the needs of a beginner. Their free versions can even go beyond what the premium products in their niche usually offers. Plus, you have Grammarly and Rankmath. These two punch above their weight. These 6 free plugins will generate enough revenue that you can quite easily invest in an Ahrefs premium license to take your business further. With this, we come to an end of our video. But there's a job for you. We have provided you with the details of 7 amazing content marketing tools. But we can't decide which is the best. Try them out and tell us which of these essential content marketing tools worked the best for you. Till then, happy content marketing!